What if I told you that your money could make more money while you were asleep? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's called compounding interest and it's real. In this video, we'll break down what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to grow your wealth. Compounding interest is when you earn interest not just on your initial money but also on the interest that builds up over time. Think of it like a rolling snowball. At first, it's small, but as it rolls, it gathers more snow and grows larger. In your junior classes, you must have learnt about compound interest and you would have known that amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 to the power time. Here, to the power time is significant as it emphasizes on exponential growth and geometric progression. Let's give you a couple real life examples so that you understand the power of compounding. Let's say you invest rupees 1000 at a 10% rate. In 1 year, you earn rupees 100. But in year 2, you earn interest on rupees 1100, making it rupees 110. Over time, this effect snowballs. Talking about long term investment, if you invest rupees 1 lakh and compound it annually for 10 years at 11% interest rate, you will find that your money has almost tripled in those 10 years. And it's almost 3 lakh. That's the power of compounding. Addressing the elephant in the room, is compounding achievable and how can you use it? Number 1. Start early. The biggest secret to compounding is time. The earlier you start, the bigger the impact. Imagine two people. One starts investing at 20, the other at 30. Both invest the same amount. The one who started earlier will have nearly double the wealth by retirement. So don't wait. Start now, even if it's just a small amount. Number 2. Be consistent. A lot of people think that you need a huge amount of money to invest. Nope. Even 1000 or 5000 rupees a month can grow significantly over the time. Think of it like a gym membership for your money. The more regularly you invest, the stronger it gets. Number 3. You must always reinvest your earnings. When you invest, you often get interest, dividends, or profits. Instead of cashing them out, reinvest them. This is where the magic of compounding really kicks in. You're making money on your money's money. It's like a chain reaction of growth. Number 4. Use the right investment instruments. Not all instruments give the same returns. High yield saving accounts are okay, but investments like index funds, ETFs, or stocks generally give much higher returns over time. Do your research, invest wisely, and let compounding do its thing. In conclusion, compounding interest is like a tree. Plant it early, water it consistently, and over time it grows into something massive. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time, right now. So invest today, even if it's just a small step, and your future self will thank you.